This is breast, and this is nipple shield. And before you start utilizing this little helper, always consult an IBCLC to get the right guidance, advice, and support, and to find out how to use them correctly. Nipple shields are small little silicone devices that can help with your feeding issues that you may be experiencing, and they can help with various different conditions. Nipple shields are most commonly used if you have flat nipples, inverted nipples, small nipples, if baby is having latching issues and is slipping off the breast, if baby is used to the bottle and is trying to come back to the breast, and various different more. A lot of the times nipple shields get bad press for no reason at all. They have saved multiple journeys for many families across the world, and it is always important to do what works best for you and what keeps your breastfeeding journey happy and healthy. In order to apply a nipple shield, simply apply a little bit of breast milk or nipple balm on the shield and wear over your nipple such as that. Baby's mouth will then go around here, and their nose should touch the area that hasn't got any of the silicone from the shield. They then create a nice extension that reaches further into baby's mouth, and that can sometimes help trigger a stronger latching reflex, but generally also helps with latching overall. When utilizing nipple shields, please always make sure that you are feeling around your breast after and during a feed to make sure that your breast is nice and healthy. There are no lumps and bumps or areas where the draining needs some extra help. Some babies will need to get used to how to latch efficiently on the shields and not just slip down and do nipple feeding. So sometimes it is helpful to use breast compressions as you are utilizing the shields. The shields also come in different sizes, and it is important to pick the right size so your baby can actually latch onto them. Nipple shields do not have a preferred time of usage, so that means you can use them for as short or as long as you want. The only thing that I always recommend is work with your IBCLC to fully figure everything out